The Press Kitchen Cleaning Brush with Detergent Storage Box is a game-changer for household cleaning. This innovative tool combines convenience and effectiveness in one sleek package. First and foremost, the detergent storage box is a brilliant addition. It eliminates the need to constantly reach for a separate container of detergent, making the cleaning process smoother and more efficient. The built-in dispenser allows you to control the amount of detergent you use, preventing wastage and saving you money in the long run. Plus, the see-through design lets you monitor the detergent level, so you know when it's time for a refill. The brush itself is a true powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. It's designed with bristles that effectively tackle grease and grime on dishes, pans, and tableware. The brush's ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The bristles are tough on stains but gentle on your cookware, ensuring a thorough clean without causing damage. One standout feature of this cleaning brush is its ability to handle both degreasing and descaling tasks. Whether you're dealing with sticky residue on your pots or mineral buildup on your kitchen appliances, this brush has you covered. The dual functionality saves you the trouble of switching between different tools and simplifies your cleaning routine. Cleaning is a breeze with the Press Kitchen Cleaning Brush. It's a versatile tool that streamlines the process and makes it more efficient. The detergent storage box is a game changer, and the brush's performance is top-notch. It's a must-have addition to any kitchen, and it will undoubtedly save you time and effort while keeping your dishes and cookware sparkling clean.